private treatment facility in Carmona, Cavite is the latest entity whose operation was ordered suspended for polluting the Laguna Lake. The firm was given 2 weeks to implement corrective measures or face permanent closure. Sweden Velado tells us more.
A big private treatment facility in Carmona, Cavite was not spared by the Laguna Lake Development Authority after it was ordered to stop and close the operation of its facilities that discharge polluted wastewater in Carmona River, which flows up to Laguna Lake.
Ito ay standard po procedure ng Laguna Lake Authority bilang isang regulatory agency for environmental clean water compliance. Nangyari lang kasi na ang LGU, ang mga taga Binyan, Carmona, ang dami pong parang nagsumbong na mga grievances na ganito. Kaya pina-check namin.
The liquid discharge, according to residents who live near the business park, produces a foul smell affecting the community.
Kalamitan sila sa gabi nagpapakawala ng tubig. Talagang masangsang ang amoy. Marami na nagkakasakit ng mga bata.
Diyan pa kami nakakahuli ng pagkain na isda, pangluto. Pero ngayon, nung dumating na yung wala na. Ang baho talaga. Minsan makikita nyo, patay yung mga isdang lumulutang din.
Children often get sick from stomach aches to fever from inhaling the poisonous and strong chemicals. These feedback prompted the LLDA to act on the situation. Based on examination conducted by the agency, the involved establishment failed the water sampling, resulting to issuance of ex parte cease and desist order. This is also in violation of Clean Water Act.
Hindi naman pwedeng i-delay mo kapag nakakasulasok na o masangsang na ang amoy at nakakaapekto na sa kalusugan ng tao o yung lake nalalaso na. Emergency po yun.
PTV team tried to get the side of the treatment facility's owner, but he refused to be interviewed. However, off-cam, he said that their legal team will go to LLDA's office on Monday to settle the case and do the necessary steps and measures to fully operate again. According to Acosta, they have 2 weeks to act on the case, or else it would become a criminal case. If this happens, the establishment will be forced to completely shut down. For the PTV News, Sweden Velado.